Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to verify phone number in a ads manager ad account, right? As you can see, I'm into my ads manager and here we have an option in the left side that is of account overview. You just need to click on it and we are into the account overview. Here you will get an option of verifying the phone number if you have not verified your phone number. As I have already verified my phone number, so that's why I'm not getting that particular option. Here before, just before the add payment method, you will get an option of verifying the phone number. Let me check it in another ad account whether I'm getting or not, right? So let's click on this one. It takes few seconds to display that screen, but make sure your number would only be verified in the account overview section of the ads manager, right? As you can see, it's loading. It takes little bit time. It doesn't like it is not like that your internet is slow or whatever. Okay, as we have already verified the phone number of each and every ad account, so that's why we are not getting that particular option. And let me check this one as well. Yeah, here also we have verified the phone number. Okay, this one. Okay, here you can see that we have verified the email and we have already verified the phone number. That's why no option is coming over here. Else at your screen there would be an option of verifying the phone number in the account overview section. You can just visit that particular section and can check it out, and if there is option displaying, just verify your phone number by entering your phone number and the OTP that Meta sends to your phone number, right? So it's all for now. If you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, then kindly check our video description. You will find our website link over there. Just visit our website, explore the digital marketing course, and you can directly purchase it from there. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.